You must have always heard from your elders that पढ़ने वाला बच्चा तो कहीं भी पढ़ सकता है. But with advancing technology and as things are getting easier for everyone, why not a medical student can simplify his education via some tools which can be very helpful for him. So I welcome you all in today's video. I am Akshay Juneja, MBBS third year student, and today I will give you an insight that do you really need iPad, laptop or tablet or any such thing, and if you really need but you can't afford it, so there should be some option for everyone so that everyone can have that right, so as to make good notes, so as to have simplified techniques to make your learning better. So I welcome you in today's video. Timelines have been given in the video. You can watch a particular section or stay for the entire video, and let's begin the journey. So now first of all we will see what are the utility points which will help you decide that do you really need an iPad or tablet. The first point is a device to focus. Now right now you have your mobile phone, okay, and once you start studying you either watch some video lectures or whatever PDF you read. Once you are using your mobile phone, you get distracted due to all the social medias or any games or anything, any call, okay. But once you have a tablet or an iPad, you can segregate that device just for your academic purpose. What you will do, you will just organize there whatever apps you are using for learning, as well as whatever videos you are watching to learn, and also some relaxation stuff like Netflix and Amazon. So now whenever you will try to sit studying, you will just put your timer on your mobile phone, focus solely on your academic purpose, and whenever you will take break, you can use your mobile phone and use whatever apps you wish to chill for. Okay guys, so this will help you organize things more easily and you won't get distracted. So this is the first basic point. Now coming to the next utility point, which you all must already be knowing, is digital notes making. Now iPad or tablet is a great tool for some digital notes. There are many apps available which can help you making and organizing digital notes. How you can make notes? Basically you can just watch a lecture, split your screen and write notes with them. Or secondly, whenever you are reading your notes, revising your notes, we usually revise with audio, okay. So now once you are studying your notes, the device will automatically record the audio, okay. In some apps it is there, so it will record the audio, and when you revise it again, you can read your notes with that audio recording, so it will be beneficial for you as well. Third thing, if you are watching any video lectures and you wish to put images in between, label them, you can do that. You can update them whenever you want, okay. Now if you are in first year, by the time you give your NEET PG, certain updates will occur in any subject you read. So for that you need to again erase some points, or you need to add on some points. That can be done via sticky notes in your hard pen and copy paper also, but if it's an iPad, it becomes a better and easy version, okay. And the last thing is you can organize things into folders. You can organize all your pathology notes in one folder and such things. So this is the second utility tool which can be used. The third utility tool can be, many a times we prefer many books from library because either they are very costly or we not need them so often. So for that again your iPad or tablet can serve great purpose. You can just sit anywhere, relax, and you can read whatever PDF you want. You can highlight the PDF, you can selectively take the printout of those particular pages of book, and these are all basic things which you all must be doing from your basic times as well. So I need not to discuss that in detail. Now let's keep the utility short, and the last utility which I suppose is aesthetic value. Now what happens? In medicine or in many subjects you need to prepare some very long flowcharts which cover entire topics, okay. So for that you may need some iPad or anything, for that you can make some great notes, okay. But these are all again aesthetic value, as I said. You can also make them on a simple sheet of paper, but it's just to add on through these things, okay. So by far we have discussed 4 utility points, and to be honest there isn't any point which can't be done on copy pen. It's just that things will get more organized, things will get more easier, and it will save your time, as well as it can be all portable. If you carry your 19 books in a single device, it will be a boon for you all instead of going here and there. So this is just an overview that should you take it or should you not. Now I will tell you, if you wish to take, what are the affordable options according to your budget, and all these things have been by some researches. I have taken feedbacks from my friend as well. I have also tried certain products, and hence I am giving you this feedback. All the links of the product that I will mention now are given in description, and in these things many models are there which keeps changing, so I have given the latest links which can help you in buying the same product. So now let's begin with the affordable options and what you should purchase. So whenever you wish to purchase any of the following things, you can fall in either of these three categories. First of all, either you have a laptop and you just want any tablet or iPad just for watching some video lectures and reading some PDFs book on the go, okay guys, or your budget is in the range of 10 to 15,000. okay, so now I will tell you some option. So basically, if you have a laptop already available, what I would suggest you is you can go for a Lenovo M10 tablet. Okay, now this Lenovo tablet costs around 10,000 rupees on Amazon. Okay, and this is a Wi-Fi model. It does not have SIM support, but you can connect it with Wi-Fi and it will function normally. Okay, now this will solve your purpose of seeing lectures on tablet which are available in the app form. Okay, now coming to the notes form. If you want to make notes also, you can buy separately a pen tab. Pen tab is basically available in market of many companies, but the pen tab which I would prefer is Wacom. I will mention the link. So this pen tab will get connected to your laptop, and then you can write the notes on laptop. So whenever it can be although a complex procedure, but if you really wish and want to save money, what you can do is just watch some video lectures on your tablet, and whenever you wish to make notes, if you want to make digital notes, then you can do it on your pen tab and the screen will reflect on your laptop on the OneNote app. So this will serve your purpose. Pen tab costs around 6,000 rupees. So in 10-15,000 you will be done with all the procedures, and since you have laptop, this will be the best possible solution for you. Okay, now the thing is that people usually say that either other brands such as Lenovo, Samsung, they won't work so as long as an iPad. It's definitely true, but if you are a first year, second year student and you just need to have some light purpose weight, then I don't think it would be a problem, because Lenovo or Samsung tab will sufficiently work for 2 to 3 or max 4 years. Okay, so by the time you require those things, you will always be having them, and you can also keep a backup of things, but it's no harm to proceed to an higher model. Okay, so now in this same section you can also have an option of Samsung Tab 10.1. It also costs around 12 to 13,000. So this is the first option if you have a laptop. Now if you don't have a laptop, or your budget is in case higher than this, in 25 to 30,000 range, so in that case you have a great option of Samsung S6 Lite tablet. Okay, now this is again a tablet which has got many features and it can serve your purpose of iPad. Also there is an S Pen available with Samsung which will help you in making digital notes, and again you can always go for the best, but if you are right now thinking of something cheaper than iPad, then you can go for Samsung Tab S6 Lite, and link is in description, you can check that out. Now let's come to the third and final purpose, iPad. Okay, now if you really want to purchase an iPad, what are the things which you should need to know? First of all, storage. You should always go for as higher storage as you can. Okay, it can be either 64 GB, 128 GB. Okay, now if you are taking iPad just for watching video lectures, it won't be of much help, because you can watch video lectures on other tab also. What is required is if you make digital notes, so for that you will have to purchase an iPad and Apple Pencil. Okay, now in iPad you have many models. Right now the current models which I know are iPad mini, then you have iPad 8th generation, then you have iPad Air, and then you have iPad Pro. iPad Pro is of range 1 lakh rupees. Okay, and that is mainly required for some professional workers who are doing graphic designing and all that thing. You don't need that right now. Okay, what you will do is you can either purchase iPad 8th generation. This will cost around 30 to 40,000, ranging from Wi-Fi model or Wi-Fi plus cellular, and may go to 50,000 depending on the storage. Then you will have to take an extra Apple Pencil, first generation or second generation, that will again cost around 10,000 rupees. So right now you can look for that thing. All the links are in description. And in iPad, again I would suggest you to go for 8th generation, because that will be sufficient for you at any level. Okay, because iPad Air is again just some slight advancement, but the budget range is very large. Okay, budget ranges from 20-30,000 more than iPad 8th generation. So summing up the things for you, in the first category you can go for Lenovo or Samsung. second category is Samsung S6 Lite, and in the last option you have iPad, and you very well know that which iPad you can go according to the storage issues. Okay, so again guys, I will tell you that basically medical school has lot of things to learn, okay, and you need to organize very well. It's all up to you. If you can organize in your notebook and in a simple conventional manner, then it can be also very great deal. Okay, so just study hard, make things easy, and start making notes in whatsoever form you can. I have already told you how to make notes. That is applicable for any form that you make notes. And don't just fall in trap that follow my buddy is taking iPad, so I should also take, या वो ज़्यादा अच्छा पढ़ लेगा. This is all nothing to do with your education. If you have that desire to study, you will eventually study without even all these things. So thank you. That was all for today's video. I hope my guidance helped you and it told you about some various options available. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.